Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the VANPO torque wrench, 3/8 inches, and the range from 5 up to 60 Newton meter. It's a bicycle and motorcycle and of course car torque wrench set, plus minus 3% of error accuracy, with 250mm extension rod, with a universal joint, magnetic spark plug sleeves, and bits and socket. Oh, and it's available in green as shown here and in red too. High accuracy, 5 up to 60 Newton meter torque wrench, is in accordance with the requirements of the ISO 06789, Great Britain T15729 and ASME B107.14M, okay, as well as the test method for conformity tests. The calibration error range is plus minus 3%. Individual calibration certificate included in each package. It is suitable for daily repair and maintenance of bicycles, cars, motorcycles, and of course for spark plug wrench, the spark plug replacement. The wrench can be used to change the spark plugs, which are reliable and accurate. And it's a high quality device here. The torque wrench is equipped with a quick release button, and the sockets can be quickly assembled and replaced with only one click. It is convenient and fast. Thanks to the high quality reversible ratchet head, the direction of the use can be adjusted in and against the clock's stance via the knee level. It is forged from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant. When in use, first pull the lock down to the unlock and hold it down, and then start setting the required torque value. This is a really smart design thing and really easy to adjust. We release the lock to complete the settings. This torque wrench uses laser scale values that are clear and accurate and easy to read. Adjust the key to the minimum torque value when not in use. This is a really important thing. If it is not in use, keep calm at this wrench. And safe and reliable. When the required preset torque value is reached, the torque wrench emits a clear and audible click noise, accompanied by a clear hand vibration that reminds us no longer to apply the force. The diamond-shaped knurled handle is exquisite and beautiful. Effectively prevents from slipping. This saves time and effort and improves the work efficiency. In a set of 9-piece torque wrenches, 3/8 inches, this set contains 1 time the 3/8 inches torque wrench, 1 time 250mm extension rod, 1 time universal joint, 3/8 inches, 2 times magnetic spark plug sockets in 40mm and 60mm, 2 times short nuts in 8mm and 10mm, and 2 bits with T25 and T40. The 250mm extension rod and the magnetic spark plug sockets are more helpful to replace the spark plugs. It is often used in the repair and maintenance of bicycles, cars, and motorcycles too. Awesome. High precision. The torque range of this torque wrench is from 5 up to 60 Newton meter. For example, a spark plug is most of it 30 Newton meters. So you can see, or this is the right thing for your spark plugs. And for nuts, for screws on your bicycle, for example, this is approximately 10 Newton meters. And we can easily adjust the torque value. We pull down the lock to unlock, then we start the setting. That is so easy. Pull it down and rotate the knob, and then you can adjust the right torque, which you will prove, and then release, and it's done. Then it's set, and we can use the torque range. After this, of course, let it chill. And we have a sound reminder. This torque range has a preset torque value and a tone device. When the tightening torque of the attachment element reaches the present value, a click sound automatically sounds to remind them to stop using the force anymore. With the whichever ratchet head, we can easily change the direction to the left and to the right, and a wide range of use. We have a lot of things to do, and it's compatible with your tools at home too. In combination with the included accessory to achieve the desired application effect, it can be widely used in the maintenance of bicycles and motorcycles, when replacing spark plugs and when we install devices or nuts or whatever. The 9 pieces are big enough to bring you forward of your home style DIY things. And it's really easy to read. The high quality torque range uses laser technology. The scale value is clear. The reading is comfortable and it is easy to carry. The surface is forged with chrome vanadium steel, so it is reliable and the rust has no chance. That's cool for cars, for motorcycle and bicycles. This is the VANPO torque range 3/8 inches from 5 tips to 60 Newton meter for bicycle and motorcycle torque range. Set. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.